Hello everyone, this is Jeremy from BeYourOwnIT.com. We're going to change it up a little bit and do a couple extra videos this week. Today is Sunday. I've got a little extra time and I'd like to beef up the site with some additional videos. So what I wanted to do is do a bunch of videos today on a couple features of Windows and way to get around Windows and do things like that. So I'm going to do today what I'm going to focus on is the display settings, how to change your background, how to change your screensaver, how to change your resolution, and all these things. Again, to plug the site, it's BeYourOwnIT.com, where we offer free tech support, including a new feature, a tech support chat, a new feature of a tech support forum, articles, product reviews, and a blog. Check us out. Sign up. We'll get you guys can comment on our blog and comment on our stories. Your feedback is definitely welcome. So let's start out today by getting into the display settings. The quickest way to access it is right-click on an open space in your desktop. This is true for Windows 98, 90, most Windows operating systems. And go into Properties. And then let's start with the settings. Here you can change the screen resolution. LCD monitors, they look a lot better with a higher resolution. The best way to look at this is as you go up in resolution, things will get smaller yet a lot more refined. So I can't show you because I'm doing a screen capture and it will get all messed up, but it will appear to zoom out, but it gives you a bigger desktop to work with, and I personally like having a high resolution so I can have many things going on my screen at once. Typically this is limited by your video card's capabilities, but if you set it and it doesn't work, it's no big deal. You can try out a couple, see which you like the best. Color quality, XP standard is 32-bit. Again, that's along with your video card. Some older computers may be limited in this aspect, but try a couple different resolutions, see what you like best. I prefer higher resolutions. Maybe you prefer lower resolutions. Feel free to comment. Let me know what your favorite res is and why you like it. The other topic I want to talk about is screensaver. Most of you probably know how to do this, but selecting your screensaver, just go to the screensaver tab and you can choose from any of these. I have the Windows default one, of course, but you can choose any one you like. And if you have 3D text, say something like this, you can even go in the settings and have it say whatever you want and mess with it, kind of go through different options and all sorts of different things that you may like. And you can even do a preview and see how, I don't know if this is going to pick it up or not, but anyway, you can preview it and try all sorts of different stuff. And here's how you can set how many minutes. So if you'd like to go on, if you've been idle for 4 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever, you want to change it to an hour, you can do all that here. Now, if you're a desktop, you'll notice I have the standard just Windows background. Here's where you can go through all of the Windows ones, all the various ones that they have, change it, something like this. Maybe I like this better, I don't know. But you'll always typically want to do the stretch over the center tile, especially if you're using your own picture. Now, if you have your own custom picture, all you'll need to do is use this browse button here. Click on it, find your picture wherever it is, if it's on your desktop, wherever it may be, and then just select it and hit apply, and it'll change your background. Real easy. Themes, I don't mess much with this. If you guys like to do custom themes, maybe I could do a video on it for you, but to me, the general Windows one is perfectly fine. So again, desktop, here's where you can change your background picture. You can go through a little more features and do a customized desktop where you can change icons and all that kind of stuff, but for the most part, just changing your background picture is enough here. Screensaver, you can go through all these standard ones and mess with them a little bit. And appearance, you can kind of, I didn't go through this before, but you can, if you look here, notice how it looks now. I can go to the classic, the old Windows way. This changes what's called the GUI, or the graphical user interface. You can change your color scheme. Say I want it olive green. Maybe that's a little easier on my eyes. Whatever the case may be, you can change all these things. And then settings again, where you can change your monitor resolution, your color. If you want to go into like advanced, you can see a few more options about your video card and your monitor. But most people, I would probably recommend, there's really nothing in here to mess around with. So again, if you want to customize how you see things, the way your screen looks, the resolution, display properties is the way to go. I want to show you another way to get to the display properties by going to Start, Control Panel, and then Display. Same thing, as you can see, the same menu. Okay, so again, remember, we'll just show you bring up our website here so you can see what it looks like. Remember to, beyourownit.com. Join our, blog and get your comments out there. Remember, we take suggestions on videos, so you can email us at support@beyourownit.com. And we'd love to hear from you, and we'd love to see you on our site.